with three important events that happened in Cuba. Where you see those missiles there, October's crisis, 1962, when the world was at the verge of the Third World War, and the Americans, Kennedy, the president at that time, said that they would send it to their national security because the Russians introduced missiles in the country. So here with the helicopters and the tank invasion at the very and those buses and cars in that area there to an attack of revolutionaries to the presidential palace because that yellow building used to be the house and
So you said this building is where the
that building used to be the house and offices of Batista. Put it smaller.
I couldn't see them. So this one is the building where this
No, that building used to be the yellow one, house and offices of Batista up to 1959. Batista, the last president of the Republic of Cuba, before the triumph of the Revolution triumph, the building was transformed into the Museum of the Revolution with most of our history in the different halls from the very beginning up to recent times. Things related with the invasion at the Bay of Pigs, fast delivery from the attack of revolutionaries to the presidential palace, 1956, and the missiles crisis. Behind those glasses there is the boat in which Fidel sailed from Mexico to Cuba, 1956, to continue the struggle against Batista's rule.
from Mexico to Cuba.
Yes, because he was in exile in Mexico.
They're powerful trees.